Conversation for beginners, repetition for understanding. Situation, meeting a new colleague at work.
Hi, I'm John. What's your name?
Hi John, I'm Sarah.
John. Nice to meet you, Sarah. What do you do here?
Nice to meet you too. I work in the marketing department. What about you?
I work in the IT department. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 months. And you?
I've been here for a year. Do you like it here?
Yes, I do. Everyone is very friendly. How about you?
I like it too. The work is interesting.
That's great.